One of the main business components for my company, Opportunity Financial, is to provide small business advisory services. And what that does is it gives small business owners the knowledge, the experience to be able to contact someone who is more than just a CPA or an accountant or even a business coach. Is really what it comes down to is your advisor is someone that has a vested interest in the success of your business. When you're successful, we're successful. So there isn't any conflict of interest in terms of who does better than the other. With my company, if you're doing well, I'm very happy. And that's the goal, is to help you grow your business, manage your cash flow, and be that person or that resource that you can contact if you have questions. So what makes us different is that if you purchase small advisory services from us, you pay a set amount per month. You're not billed for every phone call or every email, and you can contact us in whatever method you need to. And your answer will be given back to you in a reasonable time. Usually it's same day or the next day. Okay, that's what sets us apart. We don't charge by the hour. We don't plan on charging by the hour. We just know, based on our experience of understanding your business and knowing some of the issues that you bring to the table, then we can come to a solution to be able to help you on an ongoing basis. Or if you just need us for a few months, that's fine too. One of the things that we do for small business owners is we help them become more efficient. And one of the best ways to do that is to make sure that your business runs on the cloud. So if you don't know what the cloud is, it's basically off-site servers that you can connect to through an internet connection to allow you to do business. So a great example that you're probably already using is online banking. Okay, so you log in and use your bank tools, whether you're doing bill pay or balancing your account. So we like to get people set up on cloud accounting, not desktop or one location based, and there's several reasons for that. First of all, cloud accounting and cloud-based software is very secure. It has the same security levels as bank software and other highly technical software out there. Second of all, it allows you to complete your work at any location where you are. So you don't need to be sitting at your computer necessarily. As you can see in the video here, you have people that are doing it on their phone or taking pictures of receipts, things like that. It's making your life easier and saving you time. That's the goal, because when you save time, you also save money. QuickBooks is a great option for folks. We are also a Xero certified advisor, and Xero is a direct competitor to QuickBooks, not as well known in the US, but around the rest of the world, they are the #1 accounting software. They're based out of New Zealand, but they do have offices in the United States, in San Francisco and Denver. One of the things that I like about Xero is that I have a dedicated account rep. So if you work with us as a business owner, you don't need to call the 1-800 number for, let's say, QuickBooks to be able to get an answer. You actually contact me. I'll get the answer directly from them. So it works out really well. The softwares are similar, but yet different in some ways. And if you'd like a demo, please, by all means, reach out to us, and we'll go ahead and do that. We also partner with Gusto for our payroll system. Gusto's been around for quite a few years. That's gone under some changes. Recently, there was a name change a few years ago. And the reason why I set up my clients with Gusto is because of the ease of use. So for example, if you have a new employee, the only paperwork that you're going to have to do to get them set up is the I-9. The rest of it, as long as you give me the email, I will send an email to that new employee. They will fill out all the rest of their paperwork online. They'll have access to pay stubs, their W-4s, their W-2s, all on their computer or smartphone. And Gusto does all of the payroll work for you. So they do your quarterlies and then your payments, keep your payroll taxes up to date. And it also takes away a lot of paperwork for you. So the clients that I do payroll for, we go ahead and add people. It takes just a few minutes as long as the employee responds in a timely manner. They can be up and getting ready to pay the same day if needed. So that works out really well. There are other products that they offer, including HR and some insurance options too. I have not tried those, but they do offer that. And I highly recommend them. It integrates with QuickBooks and Xero and many other applications. So this is a separate, what's called a software as a service program, and you add it to your accounting software. So any information that you enter, so your payroll journal, will automatically feed into your accounting software, so you don't have to do double entry of information. It's all done for you. You just have to reconcile it after payday. One of the greatest uses for this technology and cloud technology in particular is that it allows your business to become more efficient. If you have the software or the technology doing the work for you, instead of having an employee sitting at their desk manually entering payroll information or manually entering accounting information, you save quite a bit of time. So for example, if you have a part-time bookkeeper, so we'll start with that example. Let's say you pay them $20,000 a year plus benefits. So you're responsible for not only that $20,000 in their gross income, but also payroll taxes, and let's say maybe a week's time off. So you're looking at probably close to $23,000, maybe $24,000, depending on your benefit package. So with either QuickBooks or Xero, I could get that price down to less than $10,000 very easily. So depending on the amount of volume of your business, if it's under $1 million, I know I can get it down well below that and allow you to be able to do some of these things yourself, or you could hire me at a much, much lower rate than what you currently pay even a part-time bookkeeper. If you have a full-time bookkeeper, I can guarantee we can get it down at least 50% of the annual cost of that. So that's the beauty of technology. A lot of business owners are using it now, and they're using it so effectively, they're actually able to take that additional income that they would save from reducing their expenses to be able to put back into their business. And some of them even put it back in their own pocket as pay. So it's up to you. Give us a call. We do free 30-minute consultations. You can ask us anything you want. You can email myself, Scott at Opportunity Financial, or contact us at 763-412-1170.